Alright guys, got 2 rounds in there. I'm going to fire one at a time, even with the broken stock. Let's do this. Look at that stock, it's all loose. Let's do the first one. What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. LV Wookie here. So I got my 20 gauge double barrel side-by-side shotgun from American Gun Company. I tied a rope to it. I will be firing this from a distance because of the stock. I will be bolting it down to that table. Hopefully the table holds to see how it fires. After that, if it fires correctly and everything works functionally, I will buy new stock for it, and then I will fire it by hand. Anyways guys, let's get right into it. I'll see you guys out there. So here's what we got here. Put some rocks into there. Got my string going behind my truck. Hope that's far enough away. A little nervous. Let's see what happens. So let's go ahead and lock it. Hold the camera so you guys can see what I'm doing. Okay. Everything's good. Oh, a little nervous, huh? Pull it all the way back. That's good. Let's see what happens. Woo! Did it work? It worked. Woo! I don't know if I got the other ones on video. The first one, when I didn't have any target set up. I got some target set up. I'm gonna try the choke barrel. Then I'm gonna do the other barrel and get a little bit of a water jug action, them exploding, and see what it does. Anyways, I'll see you guys out there. Lock this. Alright, I'm gonna go back behind the truck. I don't know if I got it the first time. And leave this here, see what happens. Alright. We're hot. Alright guys, here we go. Woo! Well, it worked. Hey guys, this is the choke barrel. Go ahead and do it. Hop that again, huh? Hot. Let's do this. Just not getting it with the choke barrel. Well, we know it works. So let's go ahead and get this out. So know it works. Pretty happy with it. That means I'm gonna get a stock for it and a foregrip. Anyways guys, thanks for watching. Be sure to check out my other video I'm making about the Model 12. Alright guys, got 2 rounds in there. I'm gonna fire one at a time, even with the broken stock. Let's do this. Look at that stock, it's all loose. Let's do the first one. Second one. It works. Just don't eject that good, huh? As again, this is a fun gun. Stock's really messed up. Oh well, still works.